Okay, here's the pump again, peoples. See, and here's the tank over here. Okay, let me grab it right here. Okay, that piece of rubber that came with it, see, is right there. See where I already installed that. And I sprayed some WD-40 I have right there on it. Okay? Alright, now, let me see. Let me get it started. To see what you gotta do on these. Be careful. Put the float in first so you don't damage it. You gotta be very careful. Whoops. Okay, now hold on a minute. See, I made a mistake. Okay, this goes this direction right here. There we go. Goes this direction. See on that sled, see how I'm sliding it straight down in there? Now I'll tell you how I know that float goes to where it's pointing this way. Because see where my filler neck hose is and my vent hose on this side? And this is facing this way. And the vent hose is facing this way. So see, I know that that's right. And you see this part of the tank from right here to right here? Gasoline doesn't even go up to that point. It ends right here. That's so it'll have air for the vent. See, and the vent tube here goes in to this right here. Which I'll take that cap off, and then this will be ready for my fuel line. And there's my adapter fitting. But there it is, installing the tank. Now, on this, of course, I'm going to be putting the screw thing on here. But when these are lined up to where this is parallel, so both of these are parallel, well then I'll know the float is in there straight to where it's not going to catch the edges, and I also know the direction of the float is right also. See, that's how I will know. And out in the Dodge Ram Tiger truck, my screw thing that goes over this, see this is threaded, goes over that and holds that in. But that's how it works right there. Okay, so much for that video. And I got a lot of tools in there, but that's okay. I can put the tools all back in the tool room, sweep this, and all that. Because there's no grease on that tank, it's just road dust, is all it is. And I can now go ahead and throw this away. That's what I had covered over the hole. Okie dokies.